Hello everyone and welcome to BIPA Class International, where you can learn Indonesian language from the very basic with MIFI. Today we're going to learn about the words Sudah and Belum. In the end of this lesson, you are expected to have a better understanding on this topic and also to be able to use these words appropriately. So, are you ready? Let's get started. The word sudah indicating the events or situations that have happened before now, while the word belum stating the events or situations that have not happened yet. In English, these words literally mean already and not yet. In Indonesian context, we put these words between subject and verb or subject and adjective. Now, let's see the following examples. Saya sudah makan. Saya sudah makan literally means I already eat. I already eat, or I have already eaten. Dia sudah pergi. Dia sudah pergi, or literally means he or she already leave or go. He or she has already left, or he or she has already gone. Acaranya sudah dimulai. Acaranya sudah dimulai. This literally means the event or the program or the show already start or begin. The event has already started. The event has already begun. Kami sudah lapar. Kami sudah lapar. This literally means we already hungry, or we are hungry already. Saya belum makan. Saya belum makan. This literally means I not yet eat. I not yet eat. Or in common English, I haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten yet. Dia belum pergi. Dia belum pergi. Or literally in English, he or she not yet leave or go. Or in common English, he or she hasn't left yet. He or she hasn't gone yet. Acaranya belum dimulai. Acaranya belum dimulai literally means the event, the program or the show not yet start or begin. Or in common English, the event has not started yet. The event has not begun yet. Kami belum lapar. Kami belum lapar. literally means we not yet hungry. We not yet hungry, or we are not hungry yet. Here are what we have learned today. First, the word sudah indicating the events or situations that have happened before now. The second one, the word belum stating the events or situations that have not happened yet. The last one, we usually put this word between the subject and the verb, or the subject and the adjective. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy watching my video and learned something new from this lesson. If you find this video useful, please do share with the others. And if you have any questions, don't be hesitate. Write down your questions in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next lesson.